Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Fuentes. I am a medical esthetician in the state of Florida. Today I'm gonna give you guys 7 reasons why you need to start using a facial oil now. So facial oils are actually really good for your skin, and if the thought of even putting an oil on your face makes you think of breakouts, then think again, because oils actually help fight oil. Just a little tip, it is good to check with your esthetician to see which oil is best for you, because not all oils are made the same. There are some oils that are good for acneic skin, there are some oils that are good for more dry or sensitive skin, and there are some oils perfect for anti-aging. So check with your esthetician. Just a little note, I will be naming a few oils, and that doesn't mean that that's the only oil that is good for that reason. There are so many oils that target the same skin concern, so my personal recommendation would be to just try a few different oils to see what works best for you. If you want to start with one of my recommendations, great. Another little tip that I want to say before we even dive into the 7 reasons, always use a little bit. A little goes a long way with oil. So a lot of people kind of slather it on. You really don't need to, okay? Just a little bit goes a long way, okay? Reason number 1, they help to reduce wrinkles. Oils that are packed with antioxidants are great to help repair the skin and reverse signs of free radical damage. So you want to look for an oil that is jam-packed with antioxidants if you are focused on anti-aging. A great example of this would be Grape Seed Oil. It is anti-aging, it's lightweight, non-greasy. A lot of people tend to go for that one, especially if they don't want anything too heavy on their skin. Reason number 2, it's great for dry skin relief, especially in the winter when we are cranking up those heaters and it is sucking the moisture out of our skin, okay? We need a little bit of help there. So almond oil is actually a great one to help with dry skin relief. Almond oil is great for even sensitive skin, and it's super rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Reason number 3, they are great to protect your skin too. Oils have a tendency to trap in and lock in all the moisture and yummy goodness like our serums. So they trap that into the pores, and then it also helps to protect the outside layer of our skin against pollution and free radicals. So using an oil is especially great for my city dwellers. So if you're always in and out of the city, or if you live in the city, maybe you should think about putting on an oil during the day. Comment down below if you've tried any of the oils that I've mentioned in this video, and let me know what you think. Reason number 4, it's a great prep before your makeup. Pumpkin seed oil and mandarin seed oil are both actually really fast absorbing, and they tend to go straight to what needs the hydration the most, making your skin nice and plump and smooth, which is the perfect canvas to go ahead and lay your makeup on with. Reason number 5, oils are great to shrink large pores. Oils like Macadamia, Camellia, Jojoba, these are all oils that are actually really good to help pull out some of the fats and grime from your pores, which naturally makes them appear a lot smaller. Reason number 6, oils are actually really good to help calm rashes and irritation in the skin. Oils with anti-inflammatory properties are especially good for this. Argan Oil and Yangu Oil are both really good oils to calm the irritation in the skin if you had a chemical irritation or reaction. Let's say you've been using a lot of retinol or alpha hydroxy acids, and you just need to kind of like dial it back a little bit, calm the skin. Maybe you overuse these products, or you're just starting out using a retinol and you need a little bit of relief in the beginning. Argan and Yangu oils are the way to go. If you have more sensitive skin, like maybe rosacea, then you kind of want to go towards the geranium oil. Geranium oil helps to calm the capillaries and the inflammation in those capillaries. And last but not least, we have reason number 7, which is oil is great for breakouts. I know, right? You wouldn't have thought. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is, okay? Tea tree oil is actually especially good for breakouts. You can use it as a spot treatment, or you can use it all over if you're more oily prone. So if you want to kind of be proactive and ward away your future breakouts, maybe you should use a tea tree oil every other night or every night, depending on your skin type, just to kind of give a little bit of boost of protection and also help to moisturize your skin. So that's what I have for you guys, the 7 reasons why you should start using facial oils right now. Just a few tips before I end this video. 1, make sure that you are purchasing your oil from a quality source. 2, you want to make sure that you're only using a little bit because a little oil goes a long way. Don't overdo it. 3, make sure you check with your esthetician to see which oil is best for you. All right, guys, I hope you took a lot from this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any more Skin Savvy videos, go ahead and tap that little bell on the right-hand side and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below if you've tried any of these oils before and let me know what works best for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye, glow getters. Oils are great to shrink large and shrink. They help to reduce wrinkles. Stop saying or whatever. Stop filler words. No filler words. Stop.